Many people use run charts as a way to teach or introduce people to statistical process control. Once you've done a run chart, you quickly discover that a run chart is just a control chart without the limits. And so in the July 2019 release of the QI macros, you can actually do a run chart. So we select some data, click on run charts, choose average or median, and it'll create a chart for us. And so here you can see we have a nice run chart with a center line average of 10.57. Now in the new version of the QI macros, you'll also see that we can it's actually created a control chart, an XMR chart. And you can see that we can actually show or hide the 3 sigma lines. So here's our control limits. So we can just add those limits onto the chart. And we can also analyze stability, which will pinpoint most of the rules that are violated by run rules in a run chart. So we can take your basic data, turn it into a run chart, and then simply add the control limit lines because we've created an entire chart. That's how easy it can be to take data like this, and if you don't want to go all the way to control charts and do an XMR chart, you can start with a run chart. Or I could take this and I could actually clear this, clear the stability analysis, I could hide the 3 sigma lines, and now I have a run chart. So anyway, that's how you can take a run chart and turn it into a control chart, or a control chart and turn it into a run chart.